For the fourth year in a row, California faces a multi-billion-dollar deficit. A new report from the independent legislative analyst office estimates an $18 billion budget hole, which is $5 billion more than previously projected. Legislative analyst Gabe Pettick says the shortfall didn't happen overnight.
The costs and expenditures and the commitments of state government did run ahead of what the state's fiscal capacity really was.
Republican State Senator Roger Nilo, who's the vice chair of the Budget Committee, says he's expressed concerns about the ongoing deficits for years.
We continue to have a structural deficit, and that's what I've been talking about. That's why it's the never-ending story, because we're not fixing the structure.
Nilo points out that even with the increase in revenues highlighted in the report, the cost of several state-funded programs still outpace what's coming in.
This is the broken record that I am on budget issues. We need to take a hard look at those programs and see whether or not they're delivering what we expected. And in addition to that, sustainability, because they may be delivering, but the cost may be escalating.
In a statement on the LAO report, the Senate's new leader, Monique Limon, said California's economy remains steady despite some self-inflicted economic wounds from our own federal government, including harmful tariffs, attacks on our workforce, and short-sighted federal budget actions. And from Governor Gavin Newsom's administration, H.D. Palmer with the Finance Department says federal policies, including the One Big Beautiful Bill Act, will complicate the budget process.
That's going to put additional cost onto the state, likely in the billions of dollars in the area of healthcare, because it's going to pull back on a lot of the federal contribution to things like Medi-Cal.
Nilo agrees the federal actions will have an impact on California's spending plan, but he maintains it's not the primary reason for the deficit.
To blame the structural deficit on H.R. 1 denies reality. Now, will there be impacts? Yes, there will be, and we'll have to address that. But the fundamental problem is the structural deficit, and that's California's doing.
Governor Newsom will release the first draft of his proposed budget in early January.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Let Spectrum News be your resource for balanced, in-depth political coverage. And click the subscribe button here. You can also download our app and watch us on TV to learn more about the candidates, where they stand on the issues, and more. We'll see you then.